Stop wasting money on subscriptions. Because from today, you don't need them anymore. Why? Because now you can build your own AI, image generators, video creators, even full AI apps, and here's the crazy part. You can actually make money from them. And no, I'm not talking about some expensive software or hidden paywalls. This platform is 100% free. Yes, free. You get credits right away to start building, and you can earn unlimited credits just by creating projects and sharing them. Think about it, instead of paying for tools like video generators, image editors, or coding apps every single month, you can build them yourself, fully customize them, and then publish them so other people can use them too. And here's where it gets insane. The more projects you create, the more money you can make. So stick around, because I'm going to show you how to build your own AI, publish it, and turn it into a real money-making machine, all for free. So make sure you pay close attention. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is Youware, the first AI coding community where creators can build AI apps, games, and so much more. For example, someone made this trending Polaroid couple image generator and a multi-view portraits generator, where images are created from all angles using one of the most popular models, Nano Banana. You can also see that another creator built a Veo 3 video generator. And it's not just a template, it actually generates videos just like the real Veo 3. The best part is, with Youware you can customize everything according to your needs. Many other creators have already made amazing projects, and I highly recommend checking them out for inspiration. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using that link. Don't worry, you'll get free credits, and these are enough to build anything. Also, stick with me till the end because I'll show you how you can earn unlimited free credits. Yes, it's real, no tricks, no illegal methods, everything is 100% legal and supported by Youware. After signing up, click on Create and it will bring you here. It looks a little like ChatGPT, but it's even better. You can create anything using text or by uploading or pasting code. From here, you'll also get MCP tools that help you build your own apps. Just click the plus icon and it will be added instantly. Now, let's create my own AI. Honestly, I don't know much about coding. I skipped that part, but I want to make an AI image generator with all the features. So, I'll write a simple prompt, and Youware AI will automatically add the other features into the same app. That means you don't need to rebuild or edit the app again and again. I adjusted my prompt, took some suggestions from Youware, and you'll get this prompt and my built apps link in my Discord server, which you can join through the link in the description. And finally clicked Create. Now it's generating our AI. From this side, you can see the process running, and it usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. And here it is, our very own AI image generator is ready. From the sidebar, you can see all the available image tools, image to image, Inpainting, shape making, and multiview. And if you want to add more features to your AI app, just type them in here and it will automatically add them for you. So, let's test our image generator. I'm using this suggested prompt and clicking generate. Within a few seconds, our image is ready. See, the dragon and the clouds look exactly as we mentioned in the prompt. That's because behind this AI image generator is the Nano Banana model, so you can always expect some really good results. Now let's check another one. I'm writing my favorite prompt, a beautiful woman looking at the camera, keep the style realistic, and add additional details like high resolution. If you want, you can also generate multi-view images. I'll show that in a bit. So, I clicked generate, and here's the result. See, it's perfect and very realistic. Just look at her eyes and skin texture. To be honest, very few AI image generators can create images with this level of quality. Now let's check the image-to-image feature. I uploaded the image we just generated and entered the prompt. Change her emotion to sad while keeping the same composition and realistic style. Then I clicked transform image, and within a few seconds our new image was ready. Her expression has clearly changed, and if you compare both images side by side, you can see the difference instantly. Just imagine the kind of content you can create using this AI. And the best part is, it's totally free. Plus, you can even use it to make money. I'll share this project link in the description so you can check it out and try all its features yourself. Now, we can also add a video generator inside the same project, like the one I showed you in my previous video. But I recommend creating separate projects for different tasks. The reason is simple, the more projects you build here, the more you'll earn. So this time, I'm writing the prompt, make a Veo 3 video generator with its full abilities. Then I click create, and after about 3 to 5 minutes, our video generator is ready. As you can see, it has created all the Veo 3 templates, which we can use separately depending on our needs, like cinematic videos, portrait animations, product showcases, social media videos, and even a mid-journey video generator available. You can generate videos either through text-to-video or image-to-video. For this demo, I'm going with text-to-video and choosing Veo 3 Fast mode. In the main subject field, I'm writing, a racing car on the road. In the action or movement section, I'm adding, running fast. For style, I selected, dynamic. And under additional details, I wrote, high resolution. The great part is you'll see a preview of your exact prompt in the additional settings, so there's no need to adjust anything else. Finally, I click generate, and within 1 to 2 minutes, here's the result, a perfect car racing scene, no unusual movements, no glitches, everything smooth and in high resolution. Just look at the camera movement, it's spot on. I also created some other videos using Veo 3, so let's check them out and take some inspiration.
This ends tonight, Kron. I won't let you destroy Earth!
Too late, Commander. The sky already burns.
So, after testing your projects, click Publish. Then enter your project title. I recommend using the tool's name or describing what you built. For example, if I made a Veo 3 AI video generator, I'd use that as the title. This makes it easier for other users to find your project and use your video generator. Next, set the permission settings and click Publish. That's it, your project is live, and anyone with the project link can use it. All of your published projects will also show up in the My Projects section. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, how to get unlimited free credits and make money using Youware AI. First, you can refer friends using your unique link. For every referral, you'll get 200 free credits. Second, there's an affiliate program where you can earn 25% commission on every referral, a great way to generate steady income. But the best way to make money is by joining the Creator Incentive Program. All you need to do is build projects like the ones I showed you. You can create anything, share your project links with your audience, and even have your projects featured on the Community Explore page by Youware itself. The advantage? Not only can you earn money, but you also get free credits whenever other users use your apps. Each time someone consumes credits through your project, you earn free credits and extra incentives. I highly recommend building at least 10 projects. For example, one for image generation, another for video generation, or even a game. The more creative you are, the better the rewards. So, take that first step, apply a little creativity, and start building. I strongly encourage you to check it out for yourself. The link is in the description. And don't forget to join our Discord server, where you'll find all the prompts I used and the project links ready for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.